to try and get a 160. So let's turn that car around, sit there, make sure everything's started. So let's start the GPS. Okay, so you can see there, it's on it. So track, start. Let's put these tyres all back up as well. It's starting to get dark. It is only going to be one run here. Be plenty of sparks this time, I think. And I've put my camera, my phone, way up here. Try and get a decent shot of the sparks anyway. Right, that should be us. Just take your time. Let me just check. GoPro is going. So it is. So let's take the car on up as quick as we can. I'm gonna walk up this time. Just take my time, make this run count. That light's bright. Don't look directly at that light. Car's still tracking straight. That's chassis. Hang on. That scorched chassis is unbelievable. Let's hope that's it. It's getting really dark now. I don't know if you're going to see anything here, but this one run's going to do it. And relax. Okay, so again, FC 100 body. 1721 2400, 8000 milliamp Onyx batteries, 8S. Right, let's see what we can get here. Okay. Okay. Oh. And something tells me that was the light. There's no way that was the light that caused that, is there? It's not really what I wanted. Really not what I wanted. She was going quick. She was going very quick. We lost the wheel. Yeah, we've lost the wheel. What else have we lost? Oh, she's smashed. Oh, she is smashed. Right, she still works. Right, that's not what I wanted. Let's hope everything's still in it. Don't know where the wheel went. Neither here nor there. It's just ripped right off, so it has. Okay, so obviously the extreme cold weather affects the integrity of the shell. So it does. As long as it's just a shell, I'll tape it up again. Like, I'd like to know what caused that to flip. Alright. Let's see what speed that was. Let's turn all this off because there's pointless spin on. I'm a bit annoyed. Actually, it's really annoyed me. It's tragic. So it is. Nothing changed in that car at all. Nothing. Only for the fact that I don't know. Let's get everything to see what speed we were doing anyway. 132. Why did she flip? Did she hit a bump? Anyway, done. Let's see what sort of damage we've got. Ow! Was that light on the top of it enough to make it, to give it drag? And I can't get that off. Oh, damn it. Right, hang on. I need to get this. Oh, what the hell? That is tight. Oh god. How do I get this one out? Right. Done. Where else have we broken? Just at the front. We'll get her taped up, so we will. Batteries, everything alright. Chassis wise, I don't know. Wise. The wheels probably. I don't know. Anyway, that'll do us. Right, okay. Done. Bye bye.